Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to play Peak with more than 4 players, and you can do this for up to 20 players. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to Thunderstore, go ahead and click on manual download, and once you've downloaded it, right, you want to also go ahead and download Bebinex right here. Download Bebinex, and after you go ahead and extract everything, what I want you to do is open up your Steam directory, right click on this, hover over manage, and then click on browse local files. Now what I want you to do is once you've extracted, I want you to copy everything from here and paste it and replace whatever needs to be replaced, and this is what it should look like. So you drag the Bepinex folder, of course, and now what I want you to do is go ahead and, of course, if you have downloaded Peak Unlimited, what I need you to do is extract that and take this one right here, peakunlimited.dll, and I want you to just go ahead and drag it here, right? So you go to your plugins, and then you just drag and drop right here. Just make sure before you do this, you open up the Peak game, you run it once, and then you do this, and once you go to the game again, you'll see you can play with more than 4 players. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.